You can fly, but you'll never get closer to the sun. You may rise at the price of.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Cubot X90. This is one of the most fashionable mid-range smartphones that I have ever used. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about all the features, we will check the performance and everything. But before that, one request, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, here comes the star of the show, Cubot X90. I truly like the design. Cubot has done a great job by creating a fusion of art and technology. Yeah, it is the phone where art meets technology, and the rear camera block is so well designed, it feels like a piece of art crafted by an artist. We have two exquisite color options. One is black, another is green. Each and every color shade is carefully selected to compose a sophisticated and stylish outlook. It gives the phone a very bold and beautiful appearance. The craftsmanship of Cubot X90 is comparable to an elegant artwork. The curved edges of the rear panel have elongated to the frame so smoothly that I have failed to notice where is the separation line between the frame and the rear panel. Amazing work. As usual, like any other Cubot premium phones, the Cubot X90 is also manufactured with premium materials. In hand, Cubot X90 doesn't feel heavy, rather it feels very light because Cubot has managed to intelligently distribute the weight through the phone. The rear camera setup, the curves and cutouts, everything has a nice blend. Cubot X90 not only looks good, but it also has a sturdy build quality. The display panel and the rear panel are protected by a very strong glass. Even the frame has a reinforced shield all around. The display panel of a phone is the first thing that I care about, and it is the most important part. Cause whenever we use a phone, whatever we do with a phone, we need to use the display panel. So I care about the display performance. Cubot X90 has a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED panel, supports 120Hz refresh rate, and has a resolution of 1080 by 2400. That means Cubot X90 has a very high pixel per inch density. Okay, it not only has a very high pixel per inch density, but it also has a very high peak brightness. It goes up to 1500 nits. Moreover, it can reproduce colors with a natural tone, yet it offers a vivid and vibrant viewing experience. Black goes truly deep and dark, white goes very bright. As it is an AMOLED panel, yes, it has a very good contrast ratio. Cubot X90 is powered by MiraVision technology. MiraVision is a set of engines to enhance display picture quality. This interface allows for interactive tuning with real-time quality feedback, making it easy and straightforward for users to tailor the picture quality based on their needs. Advanced users can choose between picture mode or user mode to activate more tuning options. There are hundreds of different options to tune the display panel based on someone's own personal requirements. Cubot X90 has a curved display panel and the curves are pretty subtle. It's not like a waterfall curve, so the curves won't bother you. It is even better than some other phones which costs twice more than the X90. Cubot X90 comes with a stereo speaker setup, and truly at the beginning I didn't expect such a good performance out of this budget smartphone. Let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself how good is the stereo speaker setup of this Cubot X90.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty ladder and a string hanging round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better prove that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty.
Well, Cubot X90 has used 5 sensors. 4 at the rear panel and 1 in front. That is a 32 megapixel sensor and takes good selfie photos with enough details. Cubot X90 has a 16 megapixel sensor for ultra-wide photos, 5 megapixel sensor for macro photos, and yeah, there is another sensor that is a light sensor. The big name of these 4 sensors is the main sensor. It is a 100 megapixel omnivision sensor. This is a flagship class sensor which performs like a beast. I have taken a lot of photos and recorded a lot of videos with this Cubot X90. Okay, I'm not gonna hesitate to say Cubot X90's camera performance is better than most of the other smartphones within its segment. I am surprised by the camera performance. It has grabbed enough details, reproduced correct skin tone, rendered colors with perfection, and you know what? Even if it doesn't have a telephoto lens, the portrait photos are way better than those so-called mid-range phones. Cubot has manufactured a true masterpiece.
You can fly, but you'll never get closer to the sun. You may rise at the price of everyone else falling down, but I'm not going down with you. So you may rise, but you'll never make me wanna stick around you.
Cubot X90 is powered by MediaTek Helio G99, a very capable SoC, so we definitely can play games on this Cubot X90. But before we talk about gaming, let's check the Antutu benchmark performance of this Cubot X90. It has managed to score 426,000 on the Antutu benchmark. This score is really a great one among all the Helio G99 based smartphones. Well, me and my girlfriend, we both have been playing graphics-intensive games on this Cubot X90. That includes Genshin Impact and Need for Speed No Limits. We have got the 16GB edition, and you know what? We can also expand the RAM up to another 16GB. That means we have access to 32GB of memory. That's really a huge thing. Moreover, Cubot has integrated a very good cooling technology, so the phone never gets heated even after playing Genshin Impact for more than an hour. We haven't seen any frame drop or nothing like that, so there is no thermal throttling. With a great display panel combined with a superb MediaTek G99 SoC and enough RAM, altogether it is one of the perfect phones for gaming. I mean, within this price segment, within the budget mid-range segment, Cubot X90 is definitely the best. Cubot X90 has a sizable 5100 mAh battery, and we can recharge this Cubot X90 within an hour as it comes with a 33-watt charger bundled inside the package. When Cubot X90 is fully charged, it provides me almost 2 days of battery life, including around 10 hours of screen on time. That's even with high brightness and 120Hz refresh rate. So, with lower brightness and 60Hz refresh rate, Cubot X90 will definitely provide more than 10 hours of screen on time. Cubot X90 runs on Android 14. More importantly, it is stock Android without much customization, and yeah, as far as I know, this brand will offer a few years of updates. The UI is super responsive and pretty smooth. Cubot X90 has an optical under-display fingerprint sensor. It works perfectly fine. Yeah, it's very easy to register a fingerprint, and the fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone within a split of a second. If you are someone who likes to use face unlocking option, then you will be happy to know that Cubot X90 also has this 2D face unlocking option, which works perfectly fine. There isn't any lag, and compared to the other phones within this segment, it's truly one of the fastest when it comes to face unlocking. Finally, before we wrap up, there is another thing I need to mention. Whenever I make a phone call to my girlfriend, to my friends, to my family members, or to anybody else, everyone has said this: "Wow, your voice is so clear. Where are you?" Even if I'm sitting in the middle of a very noisy environment, The other party always listens to a nice, soothing, rich, and warm voice without any noise. It's because Cubot X90 comes with two different microphones, and Cubot uses their self developed clear voice technology, which reduces voice and delivers crystal clear sound to the other party. Okay, that's all about this Cubot X90. What do you think about this budget beast? As I have already used the word beast, that means it actually performs, and more importantly, Cubot X90 offers very good value for money. I have left a link of this Cubot X90 in the description box. Go ahead, check this beast. But before that, yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
The truth